3-Minute Tuesday video, we're going to be calculating 7 descriptive statistics in Google Sheets, looking at the formulas used to do so, and noting that this is for when using Google Sheets with a small data set. For larger or complex data sets or more complex statistical analysis, we recommend using different programs such as R, Tableau, SAS, Stata, SPSS, etc. The first statistic is the mean or the average. We're going to be calculating descriptive statistics using the sample data set, looking at 2 variables in the data set of total price and shipping and handling costs. We're going to take the formula for calculating the mean, also called the average, and then just add in the spreadsheet that we're referring to, which is at the tab in this Google spreadsheet, and as well as its specific rows. So if we're looking for the average price, those would be the rows to use for price. And then if we just want to also do the average shipping and handling costs really quick, we can just go over here, copy and paste, and then just change this to refer to the shipping and handling rows. There we go. The second statistic is the median. The median price is calculated in a similar manner by entering the formula, referring to the correct tab in the Google Sheet and the correct rows. Copy and paste if we wanted to have to change the title of the rows, refer to the correct ones for shipping and handling costs. And there we go. The third statistic is the mode, or the most occurring value. For the mode, or the most occurring value, you can do the regular formula as shown here, or just calculates one mode, or if you can slightly modify the formula to look for mode multi, and then it shows you that there are actually 2 most occurring price values. The fourth statistic is the range. The fifth statistic is the standard deviation. The sixth statistic is the coefficient of variation. The seventh statistic is the z-score. As you can see, the z-score formula is a little different. We're going to be taking a specific value to calculate the z-score of using the formula here. So this is a specific order in row 12 of the data set, and this is the z-score for price for that same order.